Hi, my name is Ims. Welcome to the channel. On this channel, I'm creating content that I hope inspires you to live a happier, healthier, and a more fulfilled life. So in today's video, I'm talking about goals, goals that you can achieve by the end of this year. They're simple goals and there are 8 goals. And you can adopt these goals and you can try them out. It doesn't matter if you want to improve yourself, work on you, be a better you, or you're just doing it for fun. Get on this journey with me and let's see what we can accomplish by the end of the year. Keeping focus. Yes, keeping focus. You know how sometimes your phone just rings and then you are distracted? There's a notification, you get distracted. Or a friend passes by and you leave whatever it is you was doing and you just start chatting it up and then talking as if what you planned to do in that time is not important. These are called distractions. Let's learn on how to focus on the task at hand, on doing what is important, that we scheduled our time to do, and we focus on doing just that. So when we focus on doing things at the time set to do these things, we then in turn become very productive, thereby also finishing in time, and then have a lot of extra time to do other fun stuff that we would like to do. So put away those distractions, be it your cell phone or unnecessary conversations, and just get done what you said you was going to get done. Well, sometimes you feel sad over something that happened in the past. It's okay. It's normal. Most of us have these feelings, have these emotions, maybe regrets, we can call them. But do you know that you can never change what has happened in your past? So with that said, then it's okay to let go, to forgive and to forget and move on, and I can imagine when these feelings come in, you feel sad, you feel unmotivated, unencouraged, feel unmotivated to even do anything. I think it's time to work at that. It's time then to work on that. Learn to push those negative thoughts out of your head, and learn to forgive whoever it is you need to forgive. Learn to let go whatever it is you need to let go from your past. A lot of us are wounded. We have traumas from childhood that we need to let go, that we need to forget, and when we are not naive, we identify and we realize these traumas, we start working on them, it then helps, Yes, so learn to forget, learn to let go of the past simply, and focus ahead. Okay, so this simply means spending time with yourself, A lot of people, just this feeling is very scary to them. They can't stand being on their own, being by themselves, alone. They don't like boredom, But you know what that does? This helps you reconnect with yourself, meaning this helps you know yourself better, makes you understand yourself better. This is a good self-improvement tip that anyone can try out. Deliberately be on your own, be with your own thoughts. Deliberately be alone, be in your thoughts. Now, these will help you to understand yourself better. A person that knows themselves better knows what they want to work on, know what they want to achieve, and they know what they want to let go, things that they don't want in their life. And this is friendships included. Some friendships, some relationships serve us and others not so well. If you know yourself, you then know what you want, you know what you need in your life, be it opportunities, employment, all those other things. It all starts with you reconnecting yourself, understanding you first before you seek out opportunities and do things in life. Money talks. Putting your finances in order. If you are employed, you have an income every month, and this means you want to sort your finances. You want to have a budget. You want to exactly know how much comes in and how much you spend a month, and look at what you can save as well. And this is the same for even people that don't work as well. You get allowances. Look at that allowance. Draw up a little budget. See what your monthly expenses are, and see if you can save something. Having some savings or a little bit of money in the bank gives you this confidence. You're not living from paycheck to paycheck. This gives you a freedom to think with a clear head and be realistic in everything else that you do. Be more intentional with your life, with yourself, because you are not desperate. So organize your finances. And as human beings, volunteering your time is very, very important. Okay, so volunteer your time at orphanage home, help out a neighbor. You will find that by doing these deeds for other people, it will bring you a lot of happiness, this warm happiness feeling inside of you because of you having done something for someone for free, meaning you gave. It makes you happy. So volunteer your time, volunteer your skills, do things for others for free, And when you extend your kindness in this manner, you become a good person. People know you as a good person. You accumulate friends, good friends. We all need good friends, friends that might help you when you need help in the future. I'm not saying this is what you're doing it for. You're volunteering your time for favors. No. Doing things for other people brings about pure happiness. Try it and let me know how you feel in the comments. Okay, showing gratitude is a human thing. Learn how to say thank you if you're not already doing that. Learn how to thank people for a kind deed. In you thanking them for opening the door, keeping the door open for you, or buying you a gift, or just doing something kind for you. Thank people for thinking about you, you know. You will realize that when you thank people, you brighten their day. You make them feel happy about themselves as well. And this is a good gesture to practice. Goal number 7 has everything to do with just getting up and going. You know, whether you're playing soccer, you are running, you are taking a stroll, exercise is very good for our body. We need to do these activities daily. And when we do, it improves our mood, you know, we become a bit more happier. So if we do office jobs, for instance, allocate time in your day, maybe in the afternoons or way early in the morning. Do sit-ups, short run, you know, quickly before you go to work or after work. These will improve your mood. It's a very wonderful goal to also set for oneself. So finally, goal number 8 has to do with just reading a book. Pick up a book, read a book. In this is the one that I've already started. I've read more than 2 books already. And complete disclaimer, I want to create a small segment on my channel that I want to call IMS's Book Club. Now, on this, I want to create short videos where I review and I share the key points that I learned from these books that I'm reading. It will sort of also be a recommendation of books that I've read that I find interesting, and in a way saying to you, look out for these books and read these books, you know. Okay, that's it. The year has just started. Set goals to improve yourself as an individual, or goals to just have fun, or give yourself challenges, something to do before the end of this year. And I believe if you take one or a few of these goals and go with them, work with them, you will see an improvement even in you as an individual by the end of the year, you know.